Welcome back to Trek South Africa. It's Sam Sheb and
Ali Dance.
and we're here at the Augrabies Falls, so we have to speak up because you can hear that this is really quite loud. But how spectacular is this, Ali?
It's magical, you know, to see the Orange River coming down and the travels we've been on here on this Trek South Africa journey, to see it up in the Drakensberg and again in the Augrabies and now here in the Northern Cape.
Unbelievable. Yeah. It's the largest river in South Africa, and we are exceptionally privileged to be able to bring you all this diversity of the Orange River that brings the water to our agricultural lands and to our wonderful bodies. So
this country is really, you know, it's been struck by a 4-year drought, which is really intense. And just last night we actually had the first summer rains. Summer's been going on for quite some time. I mean, the summer solstice has already passed, but it was magical to see the sky sort of thunder down some much needed water to these arid lands.
yeah, I think on that note, I think it's exceptionally important to have these conversations in our country about our water resource, Africa's most important resource, which is water. So this is Trek South Africa, following the artery of our country that brings us the life. You know? So this is Trek SA. Cheers for now.